JakeDsnake99's mini fridge.
Man, really, it's raining. Oh my god. It's pouring down raining.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, since it's been like 3 months since Old Man Jenkins has delivered our Halo 4 package, I don't even know if it's here yet. I mean,
whatever happened to that angry dude who showed up and said, "Here's your package"?
Oh
and he
yeah,
said,
that
I'll
was
bring it tomorrow.
Wait a minute. No, that was Old Man Jenkins.
More like Ugly Man Jenkins.
Oh yeah. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and let's go to the mailbox. Here we go.
Red car, punchy.
Let's go to the mailbox. Let's go.
I need to punch you because that was the red car. Punch it. I'll do it later. You know what? Later we should jump off the roof and be like, woo! And see if that works.
No. Wait, here, do that again. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, here, I want to go check the mail now. Mail, here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. Blues Clues. Okay, there's nothing in there.
This is how you use an umbrella, right?
Yes. Okay, let's go. Okay, man,
I'm
walking all the way from Nevada to South Carolina just to get to our house. So, like, every single day we have to, like, get up at, like, we have to, like, stay there for a few days. It's like, so after school, we have to walk home to say hello to our parents, and then we have to walk all the way back, and it takes forever. Alright, I'm thirsty. Here, I'm gonna go get something. Hey, I'm gonna get a turkey sandwich. Never mind, I'll get it later.
I want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Oh my gosh.
Which I like to call a jelly and peanut butter sandwich.
Dude, that is like the
bread.
coolest sandwich ever. My mom would never let me have that.
And I like to have it on bread.
Oh my gosh, my mom only lets me have stuff on a
I didn't
tortilla.
throw an umbrella. You know what? I don't want to have bad luck.
Just throw it.
Now I'm going scooter style.
Okay, alright, here we go. Okay, here, let's go check the fridge, the mini
Hey,
fridge.
this is my shoes.
No. Oh, there it is.
Stupid old man. Freaking
Old Man Jenkins.
You know what? You're going to become a hobo because you're a bad mailman.
Oh yeah, here's this golf club that my dad lost his first golf tournament with. That was like his last golf game. He scored over like a 128 or whatever.
He scored no points. And
No, he scored a 128. That was like the highest score ever. It could have been it could be 128,000. Something like that. Okay, what is a water bottle doing in a fridge?
That doesn't make sense! You stay outside, you worthless piece of non-refrigerating. It's not possible to refrigerate. Now I'm taking off my jacket because I'm so frustrated.
Okay.
But at least I got my shoes.
Okay. Oh, wait, here's a frisbee.
Go
Yeah.
have fun. Push.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that's cool.
Oh my god, hold on. This is perfect. This is perfect.
Who puts toilet paper and a newspaper in a fridge, except for you? Okay, here, let's go check the fridge again. Oh my god. What do you possibly want?
I'm trying to pull off some toilet paper.
Wow. That is retarded of you. Okay,
I need some scissors.
Max is here!
Whoa.
Whoa.
Weird dog.
Okay. Yeah, I'm guessing that's his name. Oh, I hope he doesn't take anything. Okay, let's go check. Patrick! Oh my god!
What's he doing here?
Patrick! Oh my god. Okay. Here's some kind of baseball and some kind of yellow thing. Yeah, let's go put that back. Okay. Oh, there's an eraser.
You know what? You're annoying me.
No.
You know what? You're so freaking annoying. I'm gonna try your mouth back. Yeah, I'm having a default.
Why did you make my face or my mouth a triangle?
Because I wanted to be an oval, but you know what? I'm a horrible drunk.
Okay, here's the nails. Some nails. Let's go ahead and put these back in my dad's toolbox. Oh, it's my phone. Hold on, let's go check who it is. Let's put it on speaker and put it on YouTube. Hello?
Who is this?
It's me.
Who is me?
Who do you think it is?
Jacob?
Yeah?
You know who it is?
Yeah, who is this?
Your worst nightmare?
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. What do you want?
You know who this is?
Huh?
You know who this is?
I don't know what you're saying.
Who do you think this is?
Let me see.
Is it a person?
Are you Trevor?
No.
What gender?
Oh,
Female. Sounds definitely a female.
male.
Okay, whatever. Let's see. Is it Mitchell?
No.
Who do you think it is?
I know who it is.
Yeah, but who? Yeah,
JakeDsnake99's.
no, that's not who it is. But seriously, who is this though?
Brandon!
Tell me what your first name is, or tell me what your last name is.
Brandon, my God!
Brandon who?
How many Brandons do you know that you just gave their phone number to today?
About 3.
About 4 million. Why? Oh my gosh. Okay, Brandon, I know who you are. What do you want right now?
I don't know. I just accidentally called you.
I don't know. Okay. Well, yeah, you're gonna be put on YouTube, you know.
Huh?
You're gonna be put on YouTube. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Gosh.
What chatterbox? Can he see we're checking the fridge?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay. Well, hold on. What's that red thing?
It's nothing. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait a minute. Wait, hold on. I thought I saw a coin in there.
No. Come on.
No, I saw one.
Let's go outside.
And do what? And play what?
No rain. Oh my God!
It's a nickel.
I love nickels. You're going my collection.
Okay, here, let's go see what this red thing is. I don't even know what in the world this is, but oh my gosh!
It's Halo.
It's our Halo 4 package. Oh my gosh!
You know what? I bet you that wizard gave it to us, not freaking old man Jenkins.
Yeah. Yeah. I bet you. That's right. Yeah. I bet. Yeah. For real. Old man Jenkins is a retard. What do you have to say about him?
Old man Jenkins, you can only get a shot on Scooby-Doo. And you suck. And you're old. And your name is Jenkins.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe.